Welcome to Dementia Talk App, an application designed to support caregivers of people with dementia in tracking and responding to behavior symptoms and connect professionals across the circle of care. In this series of tutorials, we will walk you through the different features of the app and how to use it so that you can take advantage of the many features it offers. This is how the app logo looks on your screen. Press the icon to bring you to the login page. If it's your first time using the app, you will need to sign up. Click the Sign Up button at the bottom of your screen. Here, fill in your information. In this first checkbox, you have two links, one to the user agreement and one to the privacy policy. We highly recommend that you read them before checking this box. In the second checkbox, you can choose if you wish to give permission for your anonymous, non-identifying information to be used for research purposes. Your identity and personal information will be kept confidential. And click Sign Up. Now you can log into your account by using the username and password you've chosen. For purposes of demonstration, I will log in to an existing account. This is the Dementia Talk homepage. On this page, you see the main features of the app, from top to bottom: behavior tracker, behavior care plan, my team, medication list, scheduler, and caregiver corner just for you. You can also use this cog wheel icon in the top right to access your profile, About Us page, contact information, and a place where you can provide feedback about the app. You can also access here the Log Out button. Because the information stored on the app is sensitive, we recommend that you log out of it every time you are done to keep your information safe. Welcome to Dementia Talk Behavior Tracker. In this feature, you can track behaviors by their frequency and intensity. The app will generate for you an easy-to-read graph, which will enable you to see if there is any pattern in a specific symptom or behavior and to follow up on your progress in responding to this behavior over time. The first step is to press the pencil button on the bottom right. Here, choose a behavioral symptom you want to track. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will choose aggression. Then press Start. Here you will choose the day and time the behavior occurred and the level of its intensity on the color scheme scale at the bottom of your screen, from mild in green on the left to moderate in orange in the middle to high intensity in red on the far right. Then press Track It. At this point, you'll be able to access the graph. Go back to the home page, press the graph icon in the top right. Learn more about this function in the graph tutorial. Sometimes, tracking a symptom in the moment is hard. In this app, you can also set an alarm to the time of day that is most convenient to remind you to track the behaviors. To set the alarm, go to the behavior tracker and press the alarm icon just above the pencil in the bottom right corner. Set the time and day you would like to be reminded to track. If you want a daily reminder, you could choose one or all days of the week. Then press Save.